Hello and welcome back to KlineSudios art lessons. This is 8A. It's a two-part lesson continuing analytical line drawing of cylindrical objects. So today we're going to do a still life of three objects. As you can see here, I have three vases set up, and that's what we're going to draw. So before I start, I need to begin with the middle object, the largest one. If I draw that first and then place the other objects next to it, it'll fit on our paper. So I'm going to start with the large vase here, and it's taller than the other two vases. I'm going to start with a large oval at the top. I'm going to draw around and around under light lines on top of each other until the oval shows up, and then I'm going to stop. Next, I'm going to continue as if it's a can. And this will help me get the curves on the side even on both sides. So I'm going to draw a line straight up and down, just like a can we've done several times before. Now once I have those sides, I take a look at the vase and notice that the oval at the bottom is smaller than the one at the top. So I'm going to put it in between those two lines, but not touch the lines. And again, around and around in a circle until an oval shows up. And it's not touching the sides because it's smaller. Okay, and next, like the other vase we did, I'm going to draw a line across from where the curve changes from an inside angle to an outside angle. And that way I can do it the same way on both sides to make it even. So just a light line as a reference across. And now I'm going to begin the curves. This one curves in, and then it curves out. Now remember, we had a can here. We actually want this curve out to touch the side of the bottom oval, not the side of our can lines. Because again, the oval at the bottom is smaller. Right. Now I'm going to do this side. I'm using the lines up and down as a reference to how far it is from the line. Do it about the same on the other side, and that will keep it even. Again, light lines on top of each other, and keep them light. Because remember, we're going to change the weight of the line and make them darker as parts get close to you. So now we have our first object up. Now I'm going to continue, it doesn't matter, right or left one. But I'm going to do the left one because it's the closest one to me. Top and bottom oval are the same side. Now you'll see it's set back further than the one in the front. So the bottom oval actually has to be above, somewhere above the oval of the big one. And that will set it back further on the table. Draw around and around lightly. Two sides, straight up and down. Remember, we're doing the can again. And I want to make these lines longer than they need to be because I'm not sure where it ends on the top. Now I have to look at my still life and see where this oval is in comparison to the big vase here. And it seems to be above half, right here, where that curve starts to go in, which is right here. So now I'm going to draw another oval where this vase ends. Round and around lightly until it shows up. And just like I did with the large vase, I'm going to draw a line across for where it changes from curving in to out. So line across lightly until it shows up. Now I look at this vase and it's very dramatic to how it curves in and then out. So I want to make sure I do that here. Draw a very dramatic curve in. And go ahead and do it on the other side so I can make it the same. And then it's going to dramatically curve out, almost like a sphere, a ball. So it's going to go out, nice and round. And this one's going to go out. Now you'll notice it's overlapping the large vase here beside. And that's good. Analytical line drawing, I'm drawing them as if they're glass. And the objects are glass in front of you anyway, but this sets it back and behind this object a little bit. And this one does cover it slightly on the edge. So I want to show that on my drawing. But I just draw through it, because again, it's glass. Now I want to move on to the other vase. Again, same style, but this one has a small curve here and then goes out. And the decorative top here we're going to ignore. We're just going to make that an oval. Also notice it is larger than this one we just drew, but not as big as this one as far as the ovals are concerned. So I'm going to take a look. It's set back just like our little one is. Here's our little one. I'm going to set this one back and draw the first oval. And again, it's a little bigger than the vase we just drew. So I'm going to make the bottom a little wider. Now, the bottom is pretty even with the top. The top is a little wider. So, two straight sides to start. And then again, it's going to cut behind this other vase. And now, I got to take a look and see where the top is. Now, the top of this one is pretty even with the top of the small one. Maybe up just slightly. So if I imagine a line going across, I know the top of that one is about here. I'm going to draw an oval. And again, the oval is going to be slightly wider than the two lines I have on the side. Around and around. Stop once I have it. And again, on this vase, I'm going to draw a line across, which is very close to the top oval, to indicate the change in shape. It curves in and then curves out. So you draw all the way across. Now this is going to be a very small curve. See that? Very tight. Back and forth here, very tight. And then it bubbles out, again like a sphere. Closer to the artwork. Bubble it out. Hits the side of that oval. You can see it almost goes into the curve at the bottom of the oval there. Bubble it out. Remember, light lines on top of each other till they show up, so that you can kind of fix it as it goes. Alright, now we have our three objects are placed lightly. In the next lesson, part 2, or 8B, we're going to change the way of the line and bring it out three-dimensionally. So, see you in the next lesson.